Three reasons why Bitcoin absolutely collapsed this week. It has been absolutely crazy on the markets across the board, but especially in crypto, the most volatile asset of them all. And I'm about to tell you why Bitcoin just broke down to $60,000. It was a jaw-dropping day on the markets, folks, and really some macro pressures on Bitcoin since we were at 97,900. And since that short-term peak, we have dropped by, drumroll please, 38.8%. But now seeing a slight relief rally on the day, rising by about 18.8%. But don't be mistaken, we are not out of the woodwork yet. And one of the main reasons I see that this is happening to Bitcoin right now is a major delay coming to the Crypto Clarity Act.
What is your opinion about the importance of having clear rules of the road, market structure legislation in the United States?
Look, I think that it's impossible to proceed without it. We have to get this Clarity Act across the finish line. And
now the meetings inside the halls of Congress and the Senate are being quite contentious here in the United States for a myriad of different reasons. But we had Reuters and mainstream media reporting on the situation right before the massive collapse began to unwind. White House meetings failed to resolve the U.S. crypto legislation stalemate. This was put out February 3rd of 2026. Now, on the heels of news that there might not be any clarity in the short term for crypto assets here in the United States, America's largest exchange, Coinbase, houses the IBIT BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. And we saw some major movements with clients that held their Bitcoin in that regard. Now, the knee-jerk reaction from crypto Twitter, this is Jeremy BTC talking about BlackRock still selling like there's no tomorrow, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin being transferred to Coinbase every day. They know something we don't. Well, there was turbulence in Clarity, and with that uncertainty, then you compound all of the doubts that we have any sort of resolution in the short term, and you get IBIT holders running towards the exit. Some great clarification on this is shown here from Grok responding. Based on recent reports, BlackRock's Bitcoin transfers of Coinbase are tied to outflows from their IBIT ETF, investors that are redeeming shares, which requires moving Bitcoin for redemptions, not BlackRock directly selling its own holdings. And these net outflows hit $545 million on February 4th amid these key reports. And if you look back at the timing of all of this, this is on the daily. I'm recording this on February 6th. So this is the February 6th candle, but the 4th was just the real beginnings of the main rumblings